Now I've got my my oil getting hot over here. I've just used a little bit of vegetable oil, not a whole lot. You don't have to use a whole lot in that. A lot of it, the drippings, is still from the onions that I sauteed, and the butter that was in the onions. And I've got it on a probably a medium-high heat. I probably need to turn it up a little bit to start with searing the liver, the beef liver. And I'm going to coat this really good. A lot of people cut theirs. I'm telling you, when you put this in milk and a little bit of baking soda and let it sit for about 30 minutes, look how easily your meat's going to fall apart. It's that tender. And you can over fry livers, but it's best to not do that, to try to, don't overcook it because it's going to get tough. You can do this same thing with chicken, with your cube steak, or
shrimp.
I don't know with shrimp, Derek. But you just lay it down in there after you've got it coated good. And it takes about 7 to 8 minutes on each side. And I've sprayed, I use these copper skillets because they're bigger. I like the space in them. And, you know, my family, we enjoy our food, so we like it. We don't try to waste our leftovers. We try to save them. You may have it for lunch the next day, warm them up, or just snacks throughout the evening if you want a snack. Maybe it's a good protein snack. I know some people have problems with the flour and stuff like that, but liver is supposed to be really good for you. If you can get your kids to eat it or try it, that would be wonderful. But I'm kind of watching my clock now, and I'll go ahead and get these in and turn them over. And once we get this done, I'm going to add back the sauteed onions back in there. If I have to drain some of the oil off of the livers, but you know, pretty well this, a lot of people make, out of their drippings, they'll make a lot of gravy to go over it. And it's just a good dish, or Derek thinks so. I'm not real big on beef liver and onions. I'll probably have me a salad today, and maybe a little bit of tuna salad today. But I will try one, but I'm not a big fan of it. And I guess that, you know, was one of Derek's favorites because his mom made them for him and his grandpa. So I thought today would be a good treat for Derek. You know, I bought them and I was having him in mind because he had told me that his mom and him liked them, and we fry chicken livers ever so often. But I'll get back to you. I'll go ahead and turn these off and get my hands washed.